If you're in a hurry and you're really needing a meal that's quick, fast, but delicious, this is the meal for you. We're gonna make up this sweet Thai chili chicken and broccoli on the Blackstone, and it's so easy, very simple, and honestly, as you can see, it don't take a lot of ingredients. And this is the kind of weeknight meal that I need for my family, especially because, you know, we're always on the go. We're always doing something between the food trailer, between taking the kids everywhere, just between all our daily stuff. We need quick, fast, and in a hurry meals sometimes, but I'm looking for something that's delicious. And this fits all that. So I say we go on and get to cooking and fire up that Blackstone and get that thing heating up. Because we do have a little bit of prep to do, not a whole lot, but let's get that done while that heats up. Start off with an onion, just a yellow onion. Now, I'm not going to use this whole thing because I don't need this much onion. I'm only going to use half of it. And I think instead of dicing it, I'm just going to come in here and slice it. And don't even know if I'm going to need all this onion. But I'm going to slice all this up. What I don't use, I can always use for another recipe. So grab us up a little bowl right here. Put that onion in there. And the onion is done, just that quick. Now we need to work on the chicken. So I'm going to glove up. Because handling raw chicken is always a good idea if you have gloves on. Or wash your hands really good afterwards, one or the other. But out here, it's just easier to glove up. Now what I have here is some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Use whatever you like, whatever kind of chicken you like. My cutting boards want to turn on me here. I love the chicken thighs. I think chicken thighs just have more flavor. I think that's why I like using them. They're juicier, they're more flavorful than a breast, but use whatever you like. And we're just going to cut this up into bite-sized pieces. Simple as that. And as you cut it up, you know, you can kind of clean it up and use the, you know, the real fatty pieces or whatever. Don't have to use those. And there we go. The chicken is now all cut up. Had a little bit, you know, of fatty stuff we don't want to use. But for the most part, there's what we want. So we'll just separate that right there. And now, seasoning. Use whatever type of seasoning you want. I'm just going with a simple salt and pepper. So, add some salt in here, kind of mix it up. Don't need a whole lot of that. And then, of course, pepper. There you go. That's simple. So now, that's cut up. The onions is cut up. The broccoli, I'm just using these broccoli florets right here. Already cut up. They're still frozen. And y'all, that's it. That's all the prep there is to it. Like I said, quick, fast, easy, in a hurry. Kind of weeknight meal you're looking for. Very little prep. Let's go over here and get to cooking. Come on. Well, I'm seeing that white smoking. You know what that means. It's time to put some groceries on this griddle. Let's throw down a little knob of butter here. Maybe a couple of them. To get our broccoli going. Now, honestly, wait a minute. Let's season our broccoli also. Seasoned broccoli is always better. Let's get that mixed up. Kind of going here, get our butter off our spatula. And what we'll do is take us a dome right here and just dome it up. Spray a little bit of water up under it and just let it steam. Now, let's throw down a little bit of oil right here on the griddle. Grab up our chicken back here and let's get that to going. Man, you gotta love the sound of that sizzle right there. Get all this coat in that oil and just spread it out. Just that simple. You're cooking. And after a few minutes, come in here and just stir that broccoli back up a little bit. It's already starting to soften up some. Yes, sir. Looking good. As far as this chicken goes, give it a stir too. We don't need all that piece of skin right there in there. I don't even know how it got in there, but it's in there. It's not no more though, is it? Spread it out, let it cook. So now that it's been going for just a little bit, I'm starting to get a little color like I'm looking for on this chicken. And that's what I'm wanting. I mean, look at here. This piece right here is a perfect example of it right there. That's the color I'm kind of looking for. Don't want it burnt, just a good sear. There's another piece of it right there. So just spread that back out. Now, let's throw our onions in here. Kind of let them start sauteing with that chicken. Like I said, we're probably not going to use all this onion. I think that's enough right there. We'll throw a little bit more oil into it. And just mix that up and let them onions cook with this chicken. Kind of saute on down. This chicken's about done. That's a good thing about doing chicken cut up like this. It don't take long for it to cook and get done. Let's check on this broccoli, y'all. Oh yeah, it's looking really good too. Sure is. But man, this chicken with its onions, they're looking right. I mean, look at the color that chicken's getting on it. And y'all, there's broccoli over here. Sitting over here doing this thing, steaming up. Yes, sir. It's gonna be good. It's a night that this chicken and the onions and all that's about done. I might add a little garlic in here. Yeah, well, garlic, if you will. Use whatever kind you want. I just had this in the refrigerator and I'm using it. Good heaping teaspoon right there. Let's get that mixed in with it. Now what I am gonna do is go ahead and turn these two burners back down to low right here. So all the burners are on low. Now I'm gonna grab up some sweet Thai chili sauce. Love this stuff right here. And we're just gonna flavor it up. Don't need a whole lot. We just want everything to be coated pretty good, that's all. Yeah, there we go. That's what I'm wanting. Let's go ahead and bring our broccoli over and make everybody friends. Look at that. Ooh, this is smelling good. And y'all, just like that, spread the plate up. So grab you a plate way over here. Try to have yours a little closer. And let's plate this up. Let's take it over here and do one more thing to it. Come on. Now we have one more thing to do to it, and that's add some sesame seeds on top. Just kind of give it a little punch, a little pizzazz, if you will. Make it look like you sweat and slaved over this meal. There we go. Look at that, y'all. This smells amazing. I want to show you this up close, and then I'm going to try it out. I mean, for something to come together so quick, fast, and in a hurry, don't that look good? Y'all, this is going to be amazing. You need to make it. You need to try it. You need to have it in your life. I'm telling you. It's going to be good. Let's try it out. Now tell me, this is a meal you and your family can just dig into, and look how quick it was. But speaking of digging in, I'm going to try it out. Grab me a piece of this chicken right here and this onion. Come on now, get it all together. There we go. There we go. Son, feed them this. Feed your whole family this. Or better yet, just make the plate for yourself and tell them, oh, I don't know what you're having for supper. You have whatever you can find. I'm having this. This is delicious. That garlic added with that sweet Thai chili, perfect. And using that salt and pepper, I think on the chicken and broccoli was kind of perfect because you don't have an overpowering of other seasonings. You really get that sweet Thai chili and that garlic to come through. Chicken's got a perfect sear on it. The onions are just sauteed perfectly. The broccoli's good and tender. This is how to do a quick and easy weeknight meal. But I need to take this into the family because, well, it's a quick and busy weeknight. So if you enjoyed the video, thumb up, share it out, tell all your friends about it. The more shares, the more comments, the more interaction, the more YouTube and all the other platforms love posting this stuff. So I appreciate all your support. I'm going to take this into the family and see if they'll support this, and we'll see you next time.